this one's definitely one that I've been guilty of. Nobody wants to admit when their dog's overweight.
Yeah.
How do I tell if my dog is overweight?
Yeah, so that's a good question, and we have this nice little chart here that can help us, I guess, explain how to tell if your dog's overweight. So there's this thing called body condition score, and we rate it from 1 to 5, sometimes 1 to 9 as well, but this chart here is between 1 to 5, and you want the dogs to be roughly around here, so around 3 out of 5, and that's ideal body weight. So the things you want to look out for, so if you're looking at the dog from the side, then you want to see the silhouette of the waist, like in that picture here. So obviously if you can't see any waist at all, the dog's too fat, but obviously if the shape of the waist is really prominent, they might be too skinny. And you can also obviously just like if you run your hands through their rib cage, you want to be able to feel a little bit of rib, but not, as you can see here on this picture here, the ribs are like sort of very prominent, and that's not good. It means the dog's too skinny. But if you can't feel anything, just fat, then the dog's too fat.
Okay.
Now,
the feeling's really good, I guess, for puppies like this with curly coats.
Yeah, no, yeah. Feeling is really good because you can't really see much because of the hair. Yeah. Now, if you're looking at them from the top, same thing. Basically, you want to be able to see a little bit of waistline. So if you can't see anything, if it's just like a piece of sausage, then that's too fat. But obviously, if you see the waistline really prominently and the ribs are sort of poking out, then that's too skinny. Yeah, so it's not so much, because people ask me all the time, what should the weight of my puppy or my dog be? So we don't really go by the weight, like there's no magic number, but it's more the body condition score, and you just want them to be around the ideal weight.
That makes sense.
Yeah.